对，Great. And do you know how to order something in the restaurant? Okay, I can show you. You can there's a sentence like 我叫 something, right? So it's the same structure like 我要 and for example, bread 面包 So 我要面包 and the 我 means I and the 要 means I want and 面包 is bread. So the structure is simple like 我 is a subject and a plus 要 and then plus an object. So 我要面包 So 我要面包 Yes. Okay. So let's do some practice. Use another word. So what do you like to drink? Coffee or tea? Or juice? Juice. Okay. Juice we'll say 果汁 对 Okay, let's try 果汁 So 我要果汁 Yes. Okay. And also if you want to ask the question, so like 你要果汁吗 So let's try this. So 你要果汁吗 Try to answer me. Answer. Okay, let me show you the structure. So about 果汁, do you have any questions? Okay. So this is how we answer it. And if you want to ask the question, just like 你叫什么名字, we can say 你要什么 对 So 什么 means what, and so 你要什么 just the simple structure like 你 and plus 要 and then plus 什么 So means what do you want? 对 So 你要什么 For example, bread. Can you try? You can ask me first. Great. And 我要面包 So 你要什么 Great. How about juice? 你要什么 Great. 果汁 Let me type here. This one 果汁 and 我要果汁对 So let's try another one. So 你要什么 Great. Ask me back. Yes. 我要面包So about this sentences here, do you have any questions? Okay, great. So, yes, this is the structure to answer it, and this is the structure to ask the question. The subject is like the someone, for example, 我, 你, and 他. Do you know what does it mean? 他 means he or she. 对对他们 means they.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。